Hi, this is a before video of Arohi. This week I have taken like her name. She has to write her name. Her name is Arohi. So she knows all the big letters and small letters identification. So this time I have taken like her name writing. So she has to see this and copy and write the name. And later on she will like if I ask her name, what's her name, she will write and show as she is non-verbal. Write her name, okay? Arohi, okay? Arohi, okay? What is this? Who is this? Who is this? Arohi. Where is Arohi? Where is Arohi? Yes, you are Arohi. Shall we write this name now? Shall we write this name? Shall we write this? Shall we write your name? Okay, come. We'll write it. Okay? Copy A. You know all these letters, right? Just copy A, small a. Next R. Next jaw O. Next H. Super. Look down, baby. Look down. H. Finish it. I. Arohi. This way she will write now. Practice she can write on her own. So this is the target that I have taken. This is Arohi. Clean this. Can you please rub this for me? Can you please help in rubbing? Thank you so much. Here Ara. Thank you. And also second target I have taken drawing. I repeat, this is drawing, not the coloring. She has to draw the apple. I'll show her how to draw the apple. She will. This is how I made. Ara, shall we draw the apple? Apple. Huh? Shall we draw? Take a pencil. Draw it, okay? Apple. Can you draw apple? Leaf. What is the leaf? Draw the leaf, Ara. Draw the leaf. Leaf, stand and draw the leaf. Leaf, where is the leaf? Yes, you draw. With this she can improve her visual and also creativity. So this is how she draws the apple. Next time if I ask her to draw, then she has to draw on her own. So to draw the apple and also the ball, as ball is very easy to draw. We'll draw the ball, okay Ara? See, she is the ball. Where is the ball, Ara? Show me the ball. Yes. Now we'll draw the ball. Okay. Draw the ball. Look down. Draw the ball. Yes. Where is the line here? See how I kept the line. Look at this. See you do. Very good job. This is how she drew the ball. As it is very easy, I took apple and ball. So these are the two targets I have taken this week. Thank you. This is the after video for Arohi. This week I took her name and also drawing the apple and a ball. Let me try this now with Ara. Hi Ara. Hi. Thank you so much. Shall we do the writing? Shall we write your name once? We'll show everyone. Okay. What is Ara's name? Ara is now going to write your name. Okay. We'll eat this chocolate also. Okay. Chocolate. First write the name. I'll give you chocolate. What's the name? Can you show me writing your name? Write your name and show. Then I'll give you chocolate. Full name. I need full name, not A only. Yes, everyone are looking at you. You have to show them. A. Next. Look down. O. Very good. Next. Remember your name. Yes, correct. Look down. We'll do one more time. Okay. See, nobody is understanding your writing. See, you need to write neatly and show them. Okay. Write properly. Now write A. Very good. Next. I'm not giving any prompt here as she is not ready to do the class. I'm just motivating her to write with the chocolate. Ara. A. Next. Not done. Don't want to write? Okay, we'll finish this chocolate. We'll finish this writing and we'll eat the chocolate. Okay? Write your name and show everyone. Everyone are waiting to see you. Yes, A. Very good. A. You know, right? How to write A? Yes. Next. Good job. Next. Wonderful. After this, O. Yes. Hey, that's nice. Then I. Where is Arohi? Show me. Arohi. Yes. You can see she wrote AAROHI in this way. But sometimes she used to write with pencil properly. This is here for you. I will now try with the pencil in the notebook. Drawing apple and a ball. We'll see how she draw. Ball. Draw a ball. Super Ara. This is how she draw a ball. And Ara. Can we draw an apple? Okay. Come, hold. Draw apple and show everyone. Everyone are waiting to see your drawings. Yes. See. Where is apple? No one can understand that this is apple. Draw properly, proper drawing. Yes, correct. Draw the stem. Leaf. You know how to draw apple, right? Show everyone that you know everything. We'll draw again. Draw apple. See, you draw the ball very neatly. Like that only you have to draw apple. Yes. Now apple. Stem. Give the stem. Draw apple. Hold the pencil properly. Again, holding is necessary here. The grip is not that strong. She is not giving pressure in holding. If you can see this, if she gives pressure, then it will be much better drawing. This is how she draw the apple. And by the next week, I think I will try her holding the pencil grip side. That she will improve her writing in any word she can write without any prompt. If she hold the pencil like this way, like giving some pressure here. If she holds like this, then I think if she holds tightly, she can write properly. You can see here now she is holding tightly, giving some pressure to her fingers. So she is writing. If she release her pressure, it's coming like this. If he gives the pressure, she is writing like this. So that pressure should be consistent in holding the pencil and during writing. So in that basis I need to work out. So by next week I will take this target.